Hey reseller besties, I am back with another what sold video. So I am going to go over some of the things that have sold so far today. So we're going to start off, I have them in order today, with this Ultra Club Cool Dry pullover. I bought this is a 2X. I thought it was a women's 2X and I was going to use it for my women's plus size show on Whatnot, but it is not. So I listed it, and it was listed for 200 days, and it sold for $14.41. After fees, I made it $21.18 on that. Next up is this extra large LuLaRoe duster cardigan. I will pick up larger size unique pieces of LuLaRoe at the Goodwill outlet. There is still a market for the larger sizes pieces. This sold at 30% off. It has been listed 104 days. It sold for $20.81, and after fees I made $16.41. Next up, super unique find, and I think I might have undersold it, but this is a Longenberger. Forgive me if I've mispronounced that, but it is a little basket with a wood lid in excellent condition. I looked for comps on this for days, friends. It's been like a little project, and I listed it for $80. I paid $2 for it. I listed it for $80, and I got an offer for $50. It had only been listed 2 days, and so I took the $50 offer. So after fees, I will make $47.51 on my $2 investment. But isn't that unique? I feel like I could have gotten probably up over 100, because I feel like this was like a very rare piece, part of a line. I found a volleyball and a basketball, but no other soccer ball. So excited to see that go off to a new home. Next up is this Jane and Delancey burnout top. This is a size extra large. It sold on eBay after just 21 days of being listed for $20.51. After fees, we made $14.50. And then this also, so this has a story. So this is new without tag, and it hadn't sold, and I forgot that it was listed, so I needed a sweater to wear with a dress this weekend, and so I finally wore it. It was new without tag, so I had it on for about an hour, and all of a sudden I saw that it sold yesterday, and I was like, where's that at? So I went to my closet, and there it was, but it sold for $15.30. After fees, we made $8.96. This was a pickup from Falling Prices, back when I used to go there, and I might jump back in to going there. Life has just been busy. But I only had $1 into that. So another Falling Prices item that I wore. So actually I wore this. It was new with tag. I kept it for myself. I wore it on a cruise. I decided I didn't like how it fit on me because I don't look good in crop tops. I look like Winnie the Pooh in the crop top. So I decided to resell it. It sold for $15.75. After fees, I made $11.75. And then also we had these Dockers sell. They sold at 50% off. They have been listed for 369 days. Dockers is a brand that I've just these are cargo, the crossover cargo. So I thought that they would move quicker, but they didn't. And so they sold for $20.82. After fees, I made $11.17 on those. And then not pictured because we shipped it out right away, I'll pop a picture in, is a sequin A-line skirt from Falling Prices. The brand was A New Day. It's just a cute little sequin mini skirt. It sold on Depop for $17. After fees, we made $14.36, and that had been listed a week. We went ahead and shipped that out because the buyer said that they wanted it for a special event this weekend. And so my husband went ahead and ran it to the post office for them yesterday because he was going on the way. Normally we don't do that, but since he was already going out, he printed out a label and took that one. But that is it for our sales. So my October challenge, friends, is I am coming live here on what is this, TikTok, every day, to do a reseller real talk and chat with you guys and make new reseller besties. So make sure you give me a follow. That way when my face is lit up, you will know that I'm going live. And I only go live for two reasons, either this or to sell stuff on the TikTok shop. So if you hop in there and I'm selling stuff for the TikTok shop, hit the hearts a few times, see what I got in the showcase. If you don't want to buy it, move on. But if I'm talking reseller stuff, please stay, join the conversation, and let's get a positive conversation going on and help more people turn their pre-owned clothing into cash. I will see you in the next one, friends, and I will see you live tomorrow, October 1st.